Hello, today I am doing a review for a company off of Amazon. Now, they sent this to me for an honest review, and that's what I'm going to give you. So, this is a diamond painting. It is a 30 by 40. This company, honestly, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll leave a link in my description box. That way you can go check it out for yourself. They do have several things for diamond painting, and they have a few kits. I'm sure they're probably going to be getting some more in, but the ones that they do have are really, really cute. So this comes with everything that you need to do this painting, which the one I picked out is this one. Let me bring y'all up a little bit so that you can see, hopefully. Now, like I said, this is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It has 25 colors. Alright. And I can tell you now, it's very sticky because I just stuck my finger to it. So I'm just kind of getting these wrinkles out just a little bit so that we can look at it a little bit better. Alright. Now, like I said, they've got some different diamond painting images, but this is the one I've seen and I liked. I don't know if that is any better with the light. Maybe not. Okay, so there is the thumbnail. And it's a bird, but it's a, oh shoot, what are they called? Oh my gosh, what is it called? Where they're machines. Oh gracious, I should have looked. Because I can't think of it right now. So, like I said, there's 25 colors. If you are a diamond painter, you know what I'm about to say. They are listed in the DMC. We have 1 through 9, and then we go from A to S for the alphabet. So there is a legend on the top right. There is a legend on the bottom left. It looks really clear. They have got it printed where the light colors have got dark symbols or numbers and stuff on it, and the darker areas have got lighter symbols. There's a few places that it's a little dark. If you've got a light pad, just put this on the light pad and you shouldn't have any issues seeing it. It is a little dark, but it's supposed to be. But if you can see, I know my lighting's not great, y'all, but like I said, it's a bird. He's standing on a book. There's a window back here behind him. Looks like he's got some roses, some rose petals, some more books right here. So, I mean, you can see it. But I think it's really nice. So it comes with your typical toolkit. And like I said, this is the only thing you need to do this whole entire canvas. Is this little green boat, this square of wax, and this single placer pink pen. Okay? That's all you need. Here are the drills. Now, I will say one thing. They need to put the drills in a bag. Because a lot of people who diamond paint, they do not keep their drills with the canvas. I myself don't. When I open a canvas and I flatten it out, get the wrinkles out of the plastic, I will take this canvas and I will put it in a portfolio so that the weight of all the canvases will flatten this out to where it is like just flat, just absolutely flat. And then I'll take my drills and I will write on the bag of drills the item number or the canvas number. I make sure that they match, but I will go ahead and on my bag, I'll write, you know, I got it from Amazon. It's a mechanical bird. And then I'll write the canvas number on there. Just so that when I'm going through my drills, I'll see it and it'll say mechanical bird. And I know it goes with this kit. And then I can just double check with the item number. But these are the colors. This is a round diamond painting, which means that these drills are round, because you know they come in square also. So I don't see any issues with these drills, and there's no static, which is an A++. If you know, you know. So yeah, like I said, the colors, it's a dark canvas. I mean, the colors are going to be a little dark. There's a few bright colors in here, but again, the canvas itself is just a dark canvas. And I will fix these later. See, again, y'all need the bags. Y'all need to put the drills in the bags. Because when I get ready to go put this up here in a few, when I get done with this video, I am going to have to either tape these together so that they don't come undone, or I'm going to have to find a bag and put them in. Most likely, I will probably just stick the drills, which I will do that right now, in this bag. So like I said, I don't keep my drills with my canvas. And then I'll just fold that over. I'll get me a Sharpie and I'll write on there Amazon, because that's where this came from. And I'll just put Steampunk. That's what I was thinking of. Steampunk Bird. I knew I would think of it. So y'all go check this company out. I will leave a link to this in my description box so that y'all can go check this out. Again, they have some accessories and they also have a few more diamond paintings. Hopefully they'll get some more in, but the ones that they have, they are really cute. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.